Okay, before we get into the riding footage, I just want to give a massive shout out to Mosto Fitness. So Mosto Fitness is a remote online training program, and I'm going to leave the link pinned down in the comment section. And this is about my 5th week. I started real late in the season because I was adulting, but I can't believe the way I feel after only 5 weeks. This is my 2nd race, and still making mistakes on the bike, but I feel like before I started the race, and I'm halfway through the day. I hope you guys can hear me. But anyways, guys, if you want to get better on the bike and you're looking for a solution, you don't quite know what to do, Mosto Fitness has got you covered. They have equipment and equipment-free based programs. So, like, for example, for me, where I work, I have access to a state-of-the-art gym with everything you could imagine. So I choose to do my workouts there. But if you're a guy that likes to stay home or just don't have access to the gym, they also have equipment free. Highly recommend it. That link that I pinned down in the comments is going to get you a free week. Okay, guys? And then if you decide to further your training, which I'm sure you will after you see what it's about, then you just go from there. But a free week of training. So thank you, Mosto. Thank you for the free week, and also thank you for transforming me already. We're only like not even a quarter of the way into the season, and I'm already like, I feel awesome. So, all right, guys, link down in the comments.
Okay, guys, here we go. 2024 10 Pine Sprint Enduro. So, when we left the line, they instructed us in the riders meeting, don't give it full gas until you pass that scoring tent. So that was the case, and if you noticed, there was actually 3 of us on the line, and so we started out the day doing 2 leaving at a time, and that's because the District 14 and Michigan Sprint Enduros and 10 Pines set another attendance record. So per Logan Densmore himself at the riders meeting, there was 437 bikes registered today, and I think 10 Pines had the record last year, which was, I believe, 418. So just an awesome turnout. Just goes to show you how good of a job the Michigan Sprint Enduros is doing, how the sport is growing. And yeah, it was packed. I was there several hours early, and it was kind of hard to find a parking spot. It was so packed. But so I live about 3 hours south of 10 Pines, which is in Mansalona, Michigan, and we've had some real hot, dry weather lately. So I was actually a little bit worried, thinking it was going to be, super sandy and dusty, because Michigan is known for sand. Man, I couldn't be more wrong. The dirt in the woods was epic. I mean, it was perfect. Well, you'll see it. You guys can see it right now. But it was absolutely perfect in the woods. And, after we got a couple laps on it, it just churned it up even more. And it was just like this perfect loam. Man, this place puts on such a good event. It was a lot of fun. I guess I'll get my excuses out of the way right away, and that was the first 2 tests. I rode terrible, and I even in hare scrambles too. My first lap is always really bad until I just get comfortable and in the rhythm, and my arms pumped up. My right arm pumped up pretty bad in the first few tests, but got that under control. I felt pretty good. Well, I should say this. Physically, I felt awesome, thanks to Mosto Fitness. The bike skills, they need improvement. I would do really good for a huge chunk of the trail, and then, I'd always make those 1 or 2 mistakes, like at least 1 mistake every test that I feel like cost me quite a bit of time, but I don't know. It was a learning experience. I can work on that stuff, so record turnout. It was real cool to see all the familiar faces, and I got to meet a bunch of new faces, so that was cool. But yeah, I can't say enough about the 10 Pines Ranch. They put on such a great event, and if you were there, you know. So this test was the cross test where we start on the track, then they bring you through some woods, and then after this I put the enduro test all in one video. So you guys, if you guys watch the whole thing, which normally people don't, but you'll see where we come out of the scoring chute at the end of this cross test, and then directly behind that footage I put the whole enduro test. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. Yeah, I can't wait till their hare scramble later this year. They always have a sprint enduro and a hare scramble, and it's always just really good place. Obviously, I said, my skills wise, I need a lot of practice, but the bike itself just shines in this stuff. A lot of this stuff was really tight woods, and I just felt a really big difference between this bike and my old bike, which was the YZ250FX. But I was kind of down on myself when I seen the scoring at the end of the day, but you know what? I gotta tell myself, this is only my second race on this bike. My first one was a team one just because it was a mudder, and me and a buddy just wanted to make it easy. But yeah, I have a lot of room to grow on this bike, and just looking forward to the rest of the season. And man, what a huge difference Mosto Fitness has made. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I've only been with them for about 5 weeks. I think I'm about to start my 6th week, and just a huge difference, guys. So as most of us adults, we've been in and out of the gym our whole lives. I did CrossFit for a few years, did your burrow splits, like your back, chest, and bi type stuff. But once I started this program, I really realized that it's tailor-made for dirt bike racers. I mean, it is, the program is made by a dirt bike racer for dirt bike racers. So once I started doing a lot of the movements and exercise, I realized, man, I should have started this a lot sooner. But it's never too late. So I'm looking forward to seeing how far that can carry me as the year goes on. But anyways, I'm gonna quit talking now, and you guys can watch this footage. This is the cross test, and then directly after this is the enduro test. And yeah, leave a comment if you're there. Let me know what you thought of the courses. I thought they're phenomenal. Dirt was perfect. So yeah, anyways, on to the next one, which will be Muskegon Motorcycle Hare Scramble. Muskegon Motorcycle Club Hare Scramble, and I believe that is, I want to say June 9th. So anyways, guys, I'll see you there. Don't forget about the link that's going to be pinned in the comments. All right, thanks for watching.
Oh my God! Whoa! Bouncing Betty! Wow, is it getting rough? This first part gets me so bad. Yeah.
on, you fucking sausage. turn, Lewis, turn. Fuck you. Holy shit. Stuff is really loose.